not going to be on the scene, unfortunately.
Aww.
The next one. It's titled Friendship. One time I'm homie. My text message to him just to ensure that we're still just friends. We're seniors now, but we've been like Cheech and Chong since we were freshmen.
Alright.
But he only saw me as fresh meat. Instantly, he started playing the most dangerous game, and I didn't even know I was the MVP. And Adam and Hunter pursuing me for that thing. He had nightly massage traps, digging holes in my mattress, trailing kisses down my back with wet lips that would soon drown out all my common sense, replacing it with erotic logic, associating him with a sweet tonic, euphoria, comfort, a friend, not a foe. He made it a custom for us to stumble between the sheets without fornicating. So when the snake finally slithered between my thighs, I petted it and spread a little wide. And it's just my luck that we're awkwardly stuck between then and now. Leprechauns were supposed to be lucky, right? I would have done better on my hands and knees in a clover patch searching for that fourth leaf. Strange communication elevates the alienation. So we lie behind fake colors and polite smiles. I wouldn't have stroked the snake that made me cry if I'd known he shunned me from his world after he robbed mine.